Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can generate free AI images. The website name is Ideogram. Just search on Google and log in into your account. Put your prompt here. So I'll just type Robert Downey Jr. eating, let's say, ice cream. And here you can select sizes. This is YouTube size 16:9 and this is reel size 9:16 or short size or TikTok size you can say, but I'll select this 9:16. Now you can do this all these filters if you want. For the sake of example purposes, I'm showing you this. Let's generate and let's wait for this prompt to generate images. You can use this for your videos or for your personal work as well. This gives an amazing results. Here you can see this building. These are all generated by people. Okay, these are not Ideogram's original images. These are generated by people and they have made public just to let you see. Until it generate images, please like, share and subscribe this channel for how to videos every day. Okay, so guys, images are generated. Let's see, it's loading. Yeah, it has completed. See, I just typed Robert Downey Jr. eating ice cream. Wow, it's such amazing, guys. Look at these results. Oh my god. Oh my god, he looks so young in this. Let's just try one more prompt for the demonstration. A kid being Iron Man. Let's just do in 3D. Let's just sake of this, let's do the TikTok size, or many of you will comment that I want for TikTok, so let's just do this for TikTok size. A kid being Iron Man. Okay, let's just search. Guys, I generate many images from here, so please do try this free Ideogram. You can buy their subscription as well. Okay, so $7 per month you can be charged. This is very cheap, guys, if you want, but if you are in $0 package, then also you can do 10 slow credits per day, up to 40 images. Guys, up to 40 images you can generate in a day. What do you want more from that? And 2 canvases, turn images into text with describe, access to our community gallery, download compressed JPGs. What do you want, guys, more than this? Just check this website. Now our images is still loading. Let's see. Okay, so images are loading. Let's see. Oh my god, just look at this, guys. Freak. Oh my god, this Halloween. Oh my god, guys, you could have used this in this Halloween season, and oh my god, this looks really great. Just look at the quality, guys. Just look at this quality. Oh my god. So yeah, guys, this was the website Ideogram. You can generate 40 images per day. Like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.